In this video, we are going to demonstrate the assembly of the Click and Dry Compact Push Fit Clasp. Ensure the clasp is clean from any obstructions. Aligning the swirl inlet with the clasp window, locate the 3 grooves of the clasp with the 3 grooves of the swirl and insert all the way. Insert the edge of the disc against the single clasp claw. Push the disc into and downwards in one motion until you hear a click. Carefully roll the clasp O-ring to the groove in the middle of the clasp and adjust to fit in place. Fit the O-ring with the seal and disc groove. O-rings must be lubricated with food grade lubricant. While keeping the clasp concentric and facing upwards, take the cap and assemble as shown. Ensure the disc can be seen at the top of the cap, confirming O-ring sealing. With the cap in an inverted orientation, place the O-ring into the sealing groove. Ensure a proper fit by running your thumb over the surface area. Apply food grade lubricant to the seal. Check the internal body faces are clean and clear. Take the cap assembly and screw into the nozzle body, taking care with the O-ring. Take the click and dry spanner provided and tighten the cap with a nip. Now to demonstrate the disassembly of the Click and Dry Compact Push Fit Clasp. Take the click and dry spanner provided and undo the cap. Place the cap assembly onto the Push Fit Clasp extraction tool. Insert the pin provided through both openings. Using both the spanner and the pin, turn accordingly. Insert the key through the keyway and twist the tool to remove the wear parts softly. If the swirl remains, use the handle of this tool and push through the rear of the clasp. Change the O-rings after each run. Click and Dry, high performance, long life, greater return.